all, we see a Arduino board which is being interfaced to a 2x16 LCD here, okay, using just two signals. So the I2C, SDA, SCL of Arduino are used. You can see the brown and red wires going to a PCF8574 GPU expander here. Okay, so you can see here this is a PCF8574 GPU expander which is used, and this requires four signals from the Arduino board. One is 5 volts and ground, and other one is SDACL. And you can see on the PCF8574 you have a IO expander chipset, which basically is a 8-bit expander, and then on the left you have a potentiometer on this board which helps us to interface, which helps us to control the contrast of the display. And then on the right you can see the jumper here, okay, which is being shorted. So this jumper basically is enabling the backlight of the LCD. So you can see the connections are exactly one-on-one connected to a display here. Okay, so the display, you can see it starts, the parallel lines are directly connected to the PCF8574. So this is the advantage of PCF8574. Actually, this particular PCF8574 can sit on the back side of this LCD display, and then just you have to connect the I2C lines to the Arduino board. So that's how we can use this board. So a very simple board, and you have to use this to simplify your Arduino interfacing to the 2x16 LCD. Otherwise, connecting all those signals to a Arduino board will eat up your signals. So GPU expander is one good thing to use in these scenarios where you want more parallel lines. Just use a I2C based GPU expander, which will be an easiest option.